In order to name molecules, or compounds formed by covalent bonds, we use prefixes in front of all the elements that are found in the compound. For example, mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3, tetra means 4, and it goes on from there. You will put these prefixes before each and every element in the compound. The only one that you don't use on the first word is mono. The rest you can use on the first word and the second word. You can use mono on the second word. The first word will always end naturally like it is on the periodic table, and the second word we will end with "ide." Let's go through a few examples. Here are 3 compounds that contain nothing but nonmetals. That's why we consider them molecules, because they will be covalently bonded. The first one starts off with 2 hydrogens, so we'll name it like it is on the periodic table, but we'll put the prefix di in front of it, so we'll call it dihydrogen. The second part of the molecule contains oxygen, which we will end with oxide instead of oxygen, since it's the second part of the compound. And since it only has 1, we would say monoxide. Notice it only has 1 O. We wouldn't want to say monooxide, or otherwise it would look like monoxide. The second one down we see here, has 1 carbon, so we would say carbon. Notice we didn't say monocarbon because mono is not used on the first word. The second part has chlorine in it, and there's 4 of them, so we would say tetrachloride. Notice it ended in "ide." The third one down has 3 nitrogens, which we would call trinitrogen, and it has 5 oxygens, which we would call pentoxide. Once again, we got rid of the A in penta before the oxide. Let's look at these 3 examples where the name is given to us, and we'll put them into formulas. You'll see the first one's diphosphorus pentafluoride, so it must have 2 phosphoruses and 5 fluorines, so it looks like that, P2F5. The next one has nitrogen dioxide, which means there's only 1 nitrogen and 2 oxygens, so it looks like that. The next one has 4 carbons and 10 oxygens, so it would look like that, tetracarbon decoxide.